Hello everyone, today we are going to be playing Bedwars and the new update has dropped, and let's just get straight into it. There's brand new dodo birds and I haven't played a match yet, and by the time you're watching this video it will be yesterday that the update would be dropped. And yeah, by the way, thank you guys so much for 17 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Yeah. Let's do this. Among Us. I got big hammer guy. You do not look like a dragon. You look like a... I don't even know what you look like. Easy win, noobs die. I bet. I'm down for a toxic player. Okay. Shout your mum. No. Okay. So I'll just try. Toxic player, do what you gotta do, alright? Where is he? The next gentleman. Good dog, right? No dog. That was kind of sad. Take that out to your bed, buddy. Yes! Oh, you know, he got a bunch of... I didn't know. Not good. Buddy, I got his stone sword, baby! What are you gonna do? Man, he just got turned into a statue. I'm coming. Prepare to die. Oh, that was almost... They actually almost hit that. Oh, I dropped the block. Oh, who cares? Oh. Okay, that was kind of funny. Okay, yeah. 100% on purpose, no cap. That was all on purpose. Always spawn trapping, I think. I'm doing a spawn trapping. I think it's spawn trapping. Just double fat. Easy. Easy. Come watch me, boy. Yeah, come watch me. Oh my god! Nah, he left. Lol. Wrecked kid. That wasn't even close. Man, just got wrecked by a melody. I don't know why, but people play melody in solos. Like, what's the point? You have no teammate to heal. You have absolutely no teammate to heal. Like, what's the point? I'm not that good at this game. Get better. Not good, get better. The hammer with the dodo bird is so OP. And I also apologize for not posting in a very long time. Well, I posted yesterday, but I apologize for not posting in a few weeks because I at the start of school, so I was a little busy. But it's alright. I had basketball, but I'm gonna start posting more. It's alright. What are you doing? Yeah, stand up. Oh, brother, get mowed. Someone doesn't want to get hit. Dodo! This thing's so OP with the hammer. I'll walk off the way. This thing is so OP. Just buy some more real quick. Oh, I forgot to buy Jade Kit. I mean Jade Hammer. Now I'm literally undiable. You can't die of fall damage. You can't die of falling off the map. I seriously can't die. I have the Jade Hammer too. This thing's OP. Look at this. Sorry about balloons. It's kind of risky. But it's so fast. Give me your pink. Now we go up. Oh my god, we're going so fast. Oh my god. That was insane. Thank you, Mr. Bird. Oh, okay. This guy's smart. Not smart enough for my dodo bird. Come here, boy. Come here, Among Us. Nah, boy. I don't care if you kill me. You just killed my bro. Are you serious? I don't know how I just won that fight. Get the bed. Run. Yeah. Okay, I don't care. I just got the bed. Woo. Back here that I died. Nope. Oh my god. Oh. I'm gonna hit that. Oh, wait.
Michael, you like pretzels, right?
Yeah.
And you like little hot dog pretzels and the little steak pretzel? This is like a cute platter. Like the birthday. Thank you.
Alright. Alright, let's do this, guys. My mom was just talking to me about my birthday, because my birthday is October 18th. YouTube. What? Oh, good. Okay. I have an idea. Very good idea. Yeah. Boy, come here. I'm really scared of a man that has leather armor. This feels like... Bro, I'm coming. I got Jade, boy. I got Jade. Man, she got knocked into next century. Give me the bit. No! I saw the bed! No! I need balloonies. I'm gonna knock them to next week again. This time I'm gonna kill him. Which one's that? He's not even protecting his bed again. I'm gonna knock him to next week. Come on, boy. Yo, this guy's trying to be flying, man. Like, who? We're in my house. Can't make that jump. Can't. Can't with my life. Can't make the jump. Because Jade is the shortest jump ever. Psych, you got a big hammer like there's no tomorrow. He's literally bigger than her. Oh my, what are you doing in there? Got a big dodo bird. And a big hammer. It's bigger than her face. Alright, now this guy's dead. Wee. Let's do this one. This is so funny. Oh, I love this. Now man's scared. Yeah, boy, that's what's up, kid. Stuff a nest. Get off the map. Oh, he had balloons. Oh, he has a tier 3 gem, probably. Oh, he probably anti-lag, whatever it's called. Back on the map. I need to find another. I need to find another one. No one needs armor, really. We need is a bow and some arrows, and probably gonna get the dub. Hiya! Yes! He's not even in his base. Where is he? Oh, he's going to my base. Okay. Hey, buddy. Alright, buddy. Wanna swap beds? Bet. I'll do that. Swap beds. This is his bed. See it. I have to jump off the map right now. I could have got my bed. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Baguette. Oldest thing in the game, though. It's a breadstick. Yeah. Jade is very risky. There's no balloons, just a bunch of balloons. Oh, I can't. So I can teleport on. Oh, I'll get teleport so we can teleport on. Actually, no, I'm gonna get balloons and just fly to them. Just take out my sword. I'm just kidding. My hammer. I don't need my hammer right now. We get off the bridge. I think he has that bird. Oh! I hit that! Nah, bro, I need to go, like, I can't jump. No. I'm not gonna risk it. I could just teleport right now. Up to the base and kill him, but no fun. Where is he? Where'd he go? What? Huh? Oh, he's up there. Of course. Get knocked off the mat, boy. Gonna get you. Gonna get you. What you gonna do? Gonna get you. What you gonna do? Gonna get you. Gonna get you. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? That ain't gonna help you, boy. That ain't gonna help you, brother. Oh, it will help you. Oh, this guy's annoying. Alright, wanna play like that? I can play like that. Just get my band hammer out real quick. I'm powerful. I got purple bed. And GG's. See, it was a very easy win. Unless I missed this band hammer jump. Okay, I'm not risking my life. Psych! But come here. Oh my god. And that's a GG. Let's go. GG. Alright, guys. That's gonna be it. Oh my, I just got 6,657 XP from that one game. Oh my god, alright. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you liked the video, please smash the like button and subscribe button. I'll catch you on next time. Peace.